You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Carry Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Carry Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Carry Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.
Shake it, me love good in my clothes and give me a heart or bank, I'll break it and then you can.
Hey, welcome back to the daytime live from starring in your favorite dancehall music videos. All right. From starring in your favorite dancehall music videos, touring the world and representing the 876, our guest dancer extraordinaire and choreographer Kissy McKoy. And real McKoy is in the building.
Real McKoy there.
Hi, Kissy.
Hi.
Yeah. What's up?
Kissy
I'm fine. The real McKoy.
The real McKoy.
Only.
So real that the real McKoy could have been a track star.
You understand?
She could have been a track star, McKoy, and Shelly.
She's a track star.
That part.
And you know that people always say I look like Shelly.
The little pocket.
You have
You have the little pocket right about you.
I always get that though.
So what was it that you were like big into track and field in school, and then you decided that, you know what, I can dance better than I can run?
I was always been a dancer, but the track star, it was like in primary school, shell that.
Yeah.
I was the fastest in primary school. Coming to high school, the training mashed me up. So the first time I go, the second,
And then you're dancing, so that's very physical. So wait, the transition.
I think the workout in the track and field part, it wasn't for me. I wasn't fit. I wasn't fit. I wasn't fit at that time.
Okay.
So dancing, I was just frequent. My body freaky. So
you just a move.
Yeah.
So what made you decide to do dancing professionally?
So what made me do dancing professionally was in high school, 8th grade, I was doing court store. I started doing court store in high school, seeing that I was making a lot of money at that time.
In high school?
In high school. I could have sent my self to school without asking my mother for money. So that's when I realized, I'm like, I can make something out of this. Then entering Dancing Dynamite from my school, which is Excelsior High School. Enter Dancing Dynamite, started touring different parishes. And I'm like, yeah, this can work for me. And then my mother was my biggest cheerleader, so she was like, if you love it, then do it.
Nice.
So then doing a lot of work, getting a lot of adventure stuff with dancing, I'm like, this can work for me.
And then the music videos came. What was that first feeling when you got the first call? Say, yo, who was the artist? What video was that?
Okay, so this was, I was in high school at the time. I entered On The Verge. It was a competition with a dance group that I entered with, which is called Insanity Girls. And we came second in the competition.
Wow.
And the artist was Cecile. That was my first music video with her. Yes.
So you remember who was a part of the Insanity Girls?
Yes, it's Katie Insanity. I think she was here the other day.
Yeah.
Her and another female called Deidre, but she's abroad now.
Me.
Oh,
yeah, but she's abroad now, so
that's why it's so quiet.
Katie Insanity keep the name Insanity, but I kept my last name.
So, Una still insane?
Yes. Yes, with the dancing, not mentality, but with the dancing, yes.
What's one of the craziest dance moves you've ever created, or some of the craziest dance moves?
The craziest or the best is tempo.
Tempo?
Yeah, and that's one of my most popular steps that I created. It's called tempo.
We have to go learn that one day.
No, you got.
No, she have to learn. It's a female. So you can learn it. Yes.
Fine.
So
and book the class when you're ready.
You say you've been on tour. When you were in high school, you used to tour Jamaica,
yes,
but you've
just
also
Jamaica.
traveled. So what are some of the countries that you've toured in?
I've toured Europe, Germany, Spain, Italy, Austria, and a lot more. Many more.
Stamp up, man.
Stamp up. South America, Argentina, Colombia. Yeah, those are my two South American.
Not Brazil yet.
Not. I'm praying.
Yeah.
I also travel in the UK also. Yes.
And I know the dance scene is big, especially in some of those countries.
Yes.
We're picking up here, we're recognizing dancing more here, because it was more like, cultural thing that's maybe curated for a particular space, dancehall and stuff like that. But it's more widely accepted. And then we have social media where the dances are
very
being
big,
promoted.
very big. In Europe, it's like, come like say them people they're born at Jamaica. Oh, them can dance, like do dancehall dancing. You're like, even the kids, you'll be like so fascinated, like you.
Was there any stand-up moments on tour for you?
Yes.
Well, you remember like that one moment they're like,
that one moment, it was my first ever class. It was like I'm in a movie.
Surreal.
I was like, I started crying because I couldn't believe I'm here doing this, sharing my moment, sharing my talent with everyone. I'm like, it was everything. It was the best moment of my life, getting used to it and doing my thing.
All right, so you spoke about your mom being your biggest cheerleader, right? As a mother yourself, what is your biggest motivation?
My son is my biggest motivation.
Is that why you go so hard?
Yes. Also, my mother, she passed away 3 years ago. So
I'm gonna reach out to you on this one, sis.
Yeah.
As a recent myself.
She was my biggest cheerleader, and following along with her, my son is like every day is like, Mommy, I'm so proud of you. Mommy, I can't wait till you get bigger to do this for us because I know you're going to do it. So I have to get up every day and look at him. He's such a joyful child and always coming to me, talk to me about anything and everything. So him always like push me to do more and be better with myself and for him.
Children will make you do things in them and that you realize you can't do yourself.
Yes.
That's why a lot of parents say that their children make them much stronger.
A lot.
Much stronger.
A lot.
It's a parent connection, guys. I'm not, as soon as I go down Jubilee, I'm going to be a part of this conversation. Okay?
Jubilee waiting on it.
Jubilee was me. All right. So I know you have classes coming up.
Yes.
Talk to us about that.
Oh yeah, I have a lot of classes coming up in Jamaica and also internationally. So I have a class next week, which is a big class. It's the first I'm going to teach in that scene. Big up to Baines. Yes, he's the one that I think get me on to the daytime live. So big you up. So next week I have that class, and also I think it's in June, I have another workshop coming up. And then
people sign up for these?
Yeah.
Oh, on your social, we go on your social?
Yes, you can go on my social to sign up. Also, the person that booked me, you can go on their pages to also sign up also.
So, question, right? As a touring dancer, big traveler, passport done and all, right? Can you tell us one local artist and one international artist that you would love to work with?
Local artists? Ooh. I've worked with all of my
local.
Wow. Vibes.
I've worked with Vibes Cartel, Shensia, Spice, Shaggy, Sean Paul. Like, those were my dreams. So it came through also performed with them. I've performed with Shensia at Sumfest, also Spice. Freedom Street, right?
Yeah, Freedom Street. Yeah.
Freedom Street, I performed with Vibes Cartel.
So what about the international?
Internationally? Cardi B.
Yeah.
But they're right back here.
I'm a friend,
Cardi B.
Are you a friend? No, link me up. Tell us some of the writers. I need a link. Also, Chris Brown.
Good luck. He's coming up on tour, so you know Chris?
You know Chris?
A friend of a friend.
All right.
Yeah,
I understand.
Tell him say Kissy McKoy. Ready.
Okay, so we see with social media, it has opened the door for so many professionals, dance professionals, to showcase their talent, and there's so much to choose from, really and truly. So how are you making your presence felt, especially in a space where everybody else is putting their best foot out there?
I'm just being myself, doing me, showing out the confidence that I have. So that's the part of me that I put out there. Just be me, do myself, and the confidence that I have.
All right, so we know that with the industry, right, it comes with lots of challenges.
Yes.
And we've heard stories, you know, of low pay, especially recently we've heard about low pay and even assault locally and internationally. Is there any point in time that you have felt like you need to voice your concern or speak out against any of this?
A lot of time. In the work scene, like dancers are very down pay. Like we don't get the pay that we should get. We're a big impact when it comes down to dancing, music video, performance. Like we do a lot in that scene. Like we show a lot. You get me? If there's a dancing music video, you need a dancer. Like professionally, you need a dancer. So with the payment, you have to just talk up for yourself and be like, this is what I'm not going to go for your price. So if it's not for me, it's not for me. There's a lot more doors out there opened and ready for me. So if it's my time, it's my time. If it's not, it's not.
But I always say what is fair can be unfair. What's your social for people to follow you and to be able to sign up for your classes?
So you guys can follow me at Kissy McKoy on Instagram, also on TikTok, Kissy McKoy. So that's where you guys can follow me and book me anytime you want music video, classes, international bookings, Chris Brown and Cardi B. Yeah, so that's where you guys can.
All right, it's true. Kissy did say she got teach we.
No, not we.
No.
Yo, not we. Yo.
Boy! Kissy, show me something. And I have to give you a big hug as someone who recently lost her mom as well. I know that feeling. Oh my gosh. All right, we're going to dance. Take time with me. I have 2 left foot. And I don't remember Jubilee yet. So
I'm going to take my time.
Miss my chance. Ilangole.
Oh. Hey. So I'm going to teach you the tempo, yeah?
Tempo? All right.
So it's a female step. So you start with the chest. So you go 1, 2, back. Come again, let's go. 1, 2, back. Then you go to this side, same thing. 1, 2, back. Start again, then you 1, 2, back. So we're going to start off from the first. Then we go 1, 2, 3, and 1, 8. All right, so that's the first part. That's just the first part. That's just the first part. So come again. 5, 6, 7. There you go. And you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this part now, we're going to swing, coming back. Right. Yes. Yeah, man. So wave the body. Wave. Come again. Wave. And again. Wave. Last time. Wave. So we'll go again from the top, yeah? All right. Ready? Let's go.
8, 5, watch this.
6, 7, 8. So that's called tempo. Yeah. So that's one of my dance moves that I've created. One of the most popular step that I have.
You know what? Come learn it.
No. I'm alright.
I can't learn.
No.
Remember,
you can teach him. You have something like
that.
No, man. Is that right?
You know what?
You see the thing? I play the music for people dance.
All right.
I don't dance.
Okay.
Yeah,
all right.
All right. That was dancer extraordinaire and choreographer Kissy McKoy. We soon come back. Don't go anywhere. We have enough more photos.
Okay.
See that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Pest Limited, protecting what matters.